Hello, today we are going on a beautiful journey. I'd like you now to close your eyes. Gently relax your hands into your lap. Place your feet flat on the floor. Ever so gently rise your spine and relax. Feel yourself relaxing into your chair. I'd like you now to imagine a beautiful pink ray of coloured light attached to the top of your head. Feel the light draw you ever so gently upwards. You will now feel your shoulders relax. Now imagine the warm pink light is now blending with your heart. With every breath now you have taken, you will now feel more and more relaxed. Feel all the worries that you have been carrying melt further and further away into that beautiful, warm, pink, loving light. Your arms, the muscles are relaxing and becoming very limp. Feel the back of your neck muscles relax into your chair. It feels like there is a warm hand, so strong and peaceful, so loving around you. As you imagine this beautiful pink, loving light that has now become around you, release and let go of all your tensions. That's it. Send all your cares to that warm, loving light. As you breathe in now the new positive energy with every breath, exhaling all negative thoughts, see them leaving your body. As you continue to focus on the light, you become more conscious of a lovely golden star. This star is before you now, above your head. As you focus on your breathing, it feels like you are being drawn up into the heart of this star. Feel the gentle flow of your breathing in and out. Let us focus our attention on your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your breath as it now becomes more and more peaceful. You can feel yourself becoming radiant and very well as you attune yourself to this beautiful loving light that is now shining all around you from that star. With every breath of relaxation that you are breathing in, you'll feel yourself being attuned now to this beautiful Mother Nature that surrounds you. You are being drawn into the center of that warm, loving light. With every gentle breath, every cell of your body is being filled with this healing, loving light. The outer world you are in is fading off into the distance. Everything in your outer world is being left behind. In your new state of quiet attunement, you are creating a sacred space for your very own being. So much peaceful, healing light is now within you. Gently, ever so gently, relaxing you further and further. As your breath work attunes you to the warmth of the light before you, your mind is becoming peaceful and relaxed. You are now feeling so comfortable, like a still lake, a lake of peace. With every breath, you are beginning to find within yourself an inner lake of sacred peace. This is your place now of healing and silence within your mind. This is your sea of tranquility. As you seek your beautiful lake of peace within yourself, let the boat of your mind now glide from its mooring. Leave the turbulent, restless rivers behind you. Drifting past the beautiful long green grasses on the banks, across the lake's cool silver waters, gently, ever so gently, floating on. As you float on, you'll feel the gentle pulse of the passing breezes as it passes over your body. As you drift along, you'll let go of all your desires, leaving all your fears now and worries on the banks of that beautiful lake. Just feeling now the warmth and the love of your sacred space as you glide along your lake. Let us rest in this timeless center of your being. This is the dwelling place of your wisdom. Let us be still under the stars and feel the love and the healing rays. As you focus now above yourself into the light and you listen to your breathing, you notice how well you feel, how rejuvenated. As you breathe in and exhale, you can see all your worries have left your body. As you breathe in again, you can feel that you have been rejuvenated. You can feel your mind is now clear. You can see now that all worries have left you. All your problems have dissolved into that warm, loving light. As we drift along further, we can now see the sun is rising, and the rays of light now, as they touch their skin, it feels as if we have been kissed by an angel. And we breathe in, we start to bring ourselves back into the room, feeling so well for our experience, loving the journey on our sacred space that we have created, knowing that we will take this forth into our day. We will now share it with our world and the people within it. And we're back in the room feeling wide awake, rejuvenated and well.